Hello from Nicole at Logisoft. Today's video is going to be on auto-provisioning license entitlements by user groups. So what we'll walk through is how to set up auto-provisioning or auto-entitlement of licenses in the Adobe Admin Console by assigning one or more product profiles to specific user groups. I know that was a lot. So first, let's define what product profiles and user groups are. You'll see that when I click into the Products tab and then click into Adobe Express, that there is a default product profile. This is automatic and lives underneath each enterprise product. But I've also created a second custom product profile by just clicking on the New Profile button. This product profile has the Firefly AI features turned off. You can create custom product profiles for various reasons, and they'll all nestle underneath the product itself. Now, next is what are user groups? You can group users in the admin console by class, grade, or say student versus staff. The best and most common way to get these user groups into your console is via user sync. So after you've set up single sign-on the Settings tab, you can then enable user sync with Azure, Google, ClassLink, or Clever. This automatically pulls groups of users into the Users tab of your console, living under this user group section here on the left. For example, you'll see I have staff and a class user group. Now, I've helped customers who have hundreds of user groups because it all depends on how you have your directory set up and which groups or OUs you pull from your directory into the admin console. The great part about user sync with user groups is that as a student or a staff member is added or leaves your organization, that change reflects here automatically. So your user groups are always current and correct. Now, it's when we connect those two things that you enable auto-provisioning. So you can actually assign a user group to a specific product or product profile, which enables auto license assignment. So when I click into this graphic design class, you'll see that I have users living here, and I can assign a product profile. I click Assign Profile, and it will bring up this plus button, where you can then see all products that live in your admin console. When you click into the product, you'll then get to see however many product profiles you have for that product. I'm going to choose the default with the Firefly turned on and hit Apply. Now, once I click Save, every user in this group is going to be automatically assigned the Express product. So if I have a new student enroll next week and they're added to, say, the Google directory, they'll automatically pull into the console and be assigned the product. Same if a staff member quits. You archive them or deactivate them in your directory, and they're going to be unassigned the product and removed from your Adobe Admin Console. It may take a little bit to get this set up, but once it is, you're now completely automated, and this is completely hands-off, working for you behind the scenes. Hope that helps.